What is custody? Custody is one of those weird legal words that really is kind of a scary word and has a lot of impact on your life, but it might not be something that you really understand. So let me explain it. I'm Katherine Miller, and I've been a divorce attorney in New York City and New York State for over 30 years. And frankly, I hate words like custody because they're scary and they're important. So you should really understand what it is. Custody is divided into two pieces. One of them is what we call physical custody, which is really just a parenting plan. Where are the children when? And you have to think about it in terms of like the regular rotation of weekdays and weekends, just as the year goes on, and then special time, holidays, vacations, birthdays, and things like that, that might be different than what the regular rotation is. And that's basically it. Where are the kids going to be and with whom at what time? The other one is a little bit more complicated, and it's called legal custody. And legal custody is essentially decision-making about the children. And these are high-level, important parenting decisions, not like which socks are the kids going to wear today or what's going to be for dinner. But it's things like, who are the doctors going to be? What schools will the children go to? Will the children have therapy, or will you allow tattooing or piercing? And ear piercing is like a normal thing. You might not think tattooing is. But it can be a little bit more complicated than that when you really get into it. What about curfews? Are you going to have the same curfew from household to household? What about discipline? If one parent grounds a child, is the other parent going to uphold that grounding in their household? And you can see why you might want to, but you could also see why you might not want to. It's not as simple as it seems. And when the children reach their teenage years, what about driving rules, getting their permit and their license? Can they drive with their friends? How many? How late? All of these decisions. So there's really a lot that goes into it. I've put together a guide to helping you make these decisions, and it asks a whole bunch of questions. So if you click on the link below, I'll send it over and it can give you some help in making your own decisions about what custody will mean for you. Thanks for listening.